Hey guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to another episode on our Instagram TV channel. Yay! Today I want to talk about the Manyo Galactomyces Niacin essence, and this is a favorite among the Literites on 08 liter, and right now it is up for try now, so be sure to go and grab it before it's gone. This is such a wonderful essence. It's going to help improve your skin texture. It's also going to help control excess sebum production. It also helps with brightening. So it's kind of like a multi-step essence, but all in this one great bottle. I love that the dropper has a curve to it, which makes it really easy to place the drops exactly where you want them. It also absorbs basically instantly into your skin. There's no tacky feeling at all, and you just get all the awesome benefits from the essence right away. Also, it has no smell whatsoever, so that's a big thing for me. I'm sensitive to smells, and this will not irritate you whatsoever because there is no smell. As I said, this is up on 08 liter right now for try now. I have to let you know that Manyo is also having a special Amazon Prime Day sale on the Galactomyces Niacin essence. Yay! So this essence will be 30% off on their Amazon store. So in case you want to stock up and get more of these products, be sure to go to their Amazon store and grab it before the sale ends. Thank you guys so much for your support of Manyo as well as 08 Liter USA. I'm Rachel. I'm the social media manager here at 08 Liter, and I can't wait to see you guys in our future Instagram TV videos. Thanks guys. Bye-bye. Annyeong.